This is our 1966 Corvette Convertible. Just finished a fresh body off restoration. It's in complete showroom condition. It's a 390 horse 427, which is the biggest motor that you could get in a Corvette if you had air conditioning. So this is a hydraulic lifter motor, and it is built 30 over. And it has a little bit bigger cam than the original factory cam. And we've upgraded the carburetor to a 750 quick flow Holley. And the combination of those things probably gives it just a little bit more horsepower. In building rebuilding a 65-year-old car, 1966, to showroom condition, you really put everything on it almost new. And for example, all the badging, windshield wipers, mirrors, door handles, top hardware, knockoff tires, side pipes, bumpers, gas cap, even the gas tank is new. And that's pretty much what you end up having to do. The interior has been completely refreshed. Everything is either new or been recovered. And all the gauges are new, every gauge, everything there, clock, radio, so forth. There's a custom carpet, and it's carpeted all the way to the back underneath the top here. It's all done by hand, custom. The top is new. And let's open the hood. So the motor's brand new, built by a group of people that has been doing Corvette motors for over 50 years, called HiPerformance Restoration. And they ship motors all over the world. And so we have, as upgrades, we have a new radiator, much bigger. The car runs nice and cool. And virtually everything in the engine compartment is new. I mean, I'm trying to think of something that isn't. But, you know, the master cylinder, the HEI Ignition, of course the carburetor, air conditioner, compressor, alternator, all the belts, hoses, pulleys, and of course the motor itself is brand new. It might have 50, 60 miles on it, and it pulls great. It's a really fun car to drive. Another great addition to the car is it has a rack and pinion steering, and we've rebuilt a number of this era of C1 to C2 Corvette, and it's really hard to get the steering boxes where you're going to like it. And in the best case scenario, it's nothing like the rack. The rack makes you feel confident, steers the way you expect it to steer. So anyways, looking for a new home.